was up here at the secret spot, enjoying my waterfall, taking a time out for me today for a brief moment. My family is going through some things. Life is hard. We know two things. We know we're coming in and we're going out. Saying goodbye isn't so easy. The feeling of loss can be consuming and painful and just hard to bear. One of the things I think I've been learning is how to let go. How to have peace in my heart when I know that there's a better place, that they're going to be fine, that, you know what, I've got a couple more people in my sphere around protecting me, right? So I drove out to my secret spot today, and I just want to spend some time pulling in the energy and being grateful for the things around me. It's kind of funny how you forget. You know, you close your eyes, you're stuck in your head, and you're just trying to figure it all out. Something inside me told me today, open your eyes, experience the life around you, feel it, be grateful for it, and enjoy it. So today, a little love from me to you. Why don't you check this out? We got to turn this around.
Of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?